Are you tired of roasting in the summer heat? Whether you are relaxing at home, working at your desk, or enjoying the great outdoors, meet the ultimate cooling solution, the Lanonany Rechargeable Retractable Oscillating Fan. This is not just another basic fan. It features a fully retractable design, allowing you to easily adjust its height from a compact tabletop fan to a full-sized floor fan in seconds. Plus, with its wide-angle oscillation, it delivers a refreshing breeze to every single corner of your room. Because it is completely rechargeable and cordless, you can take powerful, whisper-quiet airflow anywhere you go, from your bedroom to your camping tent. It is lightweight, ultra-portable, and built to keep you cool all day long without draining your electricity bill. Upgrade your comfort today. Click the link right down in the video description to grab yours on Amazon before it sells out.